Hey guys, how's it going today? Welcome to another episode of Sassafras Outdoors. Got something a little different for you today actually. We got a video where the time frame of it takes place about 2 or 3 days. And it's just basically me bringing my camera after work with me to my regular spot that I go to and just getting some good footage that way. Ended up trying to film, Claire last weekend, but got rained out. We got a crazy amount of rain last week and all kinds of weird weather, and just could not seem to get out and get a bite. I mean, got a couple fish, but nothing really worth it. So just one of them weekends, but made up for it. This video turned out pretty sweet. So hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for watching. Let's go fishing. Cheers. Yep. There we go. Yeah. Little guy. I knew he was in there somewhere. Sweet. First fish of the day. Right in a little swimming hole. Sweet. A horrible hook set. That was a little largemouth though. Little guy in that grass there. I couldn't even feel him. Probably ripped him right out of the water anyways. I don't know. It's kind of cool. It's only like maybe 20 feet in front of me there. Oh man. It's just little guys hanging out right in that grass. There you go, wake them up. Come on. Little chickens. Oh. Oh, there's a bite, I think that's right away. Oh, little guy, but oh no! Why are you guys so tiny tonight? I'll take it. That was kind of cool. He hit pretty much as soon as I hit the water. Oh, sorry. Oh, he jumped out of my hand. Oh. Ah. You guys probably can't see them. We got a couple F-16s cruising along over there. Tell you what, man, I am out in the river fishing, and there's fighter jets flying over me. I mean, I like it. Ah, comes another one. Ah, it's music right there, folks. Shout out to the Wisconsin National Guard, I guess. Sweet. Just one of many things you see out here on this beautiful river system / lake. Yep. Ah, another small one. Another little guy. Fucking assholes. Hey.
Going a crawler?
Little wacky worm thing. Works pretty good. Yeah.
Sorry about that, but I gotta get by you.
Yeah, that's alright. Oh. Idiot. Jeez. This is a smallmouth, I believe. Oh boy. Yeah. There he freaked out a little bit. Nice one. This is where the bigger ones are. I was just about to maybe check out a popper bait, but maybe we'll stick with this for a little bit. Yeah, they're getting a little better now. That's what we like to see. Come on. Smallmouth, they're crabby creatures. Yeah, there you go. Get this good old hook out of his mouth here. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, let's get another one, hopefully. There you go, buddy. Nice. Oh, darn it all. Oh, that's why. Oh man, that one followed me right up to almost my feet there. Oh boy. Swimming towards me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man, he came like 3 feet out of the water. Oh, Jesus. Ooh, it's a nice one. Excellent jump. Just happy he didn't spit me out. This is a pretty good sized fish here too. Oh yeah, he's still trying. Whew. Smallmouth. Smallmouth Senko bass. Smallmouth Senko bass. Gary Yamamoto. Get you some of that. I'm just tiring them out basically. He's a nice fish here. Just try, even though I got 50-pound tests and I got a 7-foot medium heavy rod, I'm still just gonna be careful. Oh, guy, you're right between my legs here. Oh yeah, that's beauty. That is a beautiful, barely hooked. Oh my gosh. That's what we're talking about. Look at that. He's been in some fights. He's got some goofy spines on him. I'd say he's probably, oh gosh. Here we go, here we go. Yeah. Swimming towards me. Okay, now he freaks out. And oh! Ah, he spit me out. He spit me out. That is a thing that happens with these fish. Oh, that's depressing. Right on the beach. Little guy. Yeah. Little largemouth. Kind of got a little belly to him. Yeah. A little fatty. right on the beach. There you go. Oh, that's exciting. That's a good sign. Was that my third cast? Sweet. There we go. Oh, that's nice. It's pretty decent. I think it's northern. It is. Nice little pike. Little tiny guy. First northern I've caught on one of these. Excellent. Ferocious little beast. Look at that. That's pretty neat. Yeah. Another different species. Little beauty. There he goes. Just stay over in your territory, bud. Don't bite my feet off. Excellent. I really chewed my worm up there. Haven't caught one of them in a little bit. First one on a Senko bait for me, at least. First one on camera too. That's cool. Hey guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, like I said, a couple good catches on there. Nothing too crazy, but just some good fights and just another beautiful location as always. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching. For those of you who have subscribed the last couple weeks, thank you so much for that. Yeah, it's kind of cool feeling to know that like I'm making a video for people instead of just like myself now. Like, you guys actually watch this stuff, which is awesome. Thanks for the comments and the thumbs ups and all that stuff like that. If you haven't already, please subscribe and make sure you like and comment as well. And we got some cool stuff coming your way in the next couple weeks. We got Labor Day weekend coming up, so we're going to be doing some catfishing and all kinds of cool things are going to be happening. So, whew, can't wait. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Cheers.